we're going to look at mail merge using the task 9 from the 2019 National 5 admin assignment. The assignment is about Dumfries Food Festival, and for task 9 you're to open the location sheet and you are to mail merge information. As you can see here, the instruction in the comment is to insert the merge fields from the spreadsheet. There was an earlier comment in the task which asked you to copy in from the location, from the site plan into the relevant space. So that's already been done. I've copied that in and pasted it into the appropriate place. So I've deleted that comment because I've actioned it. So what I'm now going to do is look at completing the mail merge. Now in the assignment at Nat 5, you will never have to edit the source file that you are merging from. So the spreadsheet or the database that you need to use, you will never need to edit it. You will never be asked to perform a query or to do anything in the spreadsheet, perform any calculations. It is purely there as a source of information where you are to take data from that file and put it into a Word document using mail merge. So we're going to look at how we do that. So you can see here I've got 3 key pieces of information that I will need to merge in here. I've got the name of my exhibitor, I've got the products that that exhibitor will be selling at the food festival, and I've got the location, so where they are on the site plan, so where would their stall be. So I need to put the information in, and I would have 1 piece of information, so 1 location sheet per exhibitor. So in order to do this, what I want to do is click on the mailings ribbon up at the top, and I'm going to click Start Mail Merge. Now I like to use the step-by-step mail merge wizard because when I click on it, it opens this window up at the right of my screen, and it kind of acts as a guide. It leads me through how to do mail merge, and it means I don't miss any stages out because I have my steps laid out very logically. So this first step here is to select our document type. This is just a plain Word document, so I'm just going to leave it at letters. I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to use this current document. I'm not opening a new document. I'm going to mail merge into the one that I have open at the moment, so use current document. I'm not changing it, so click Next, and I'm going to select my recipient. So this is what data do I want to merge into this Word document. So I need to find my spreadsheet, which has the data. So I'm going to click Browse, and I need to find where I've saved that spreadsheet. So I'm going to open that up by opening my folders, and it's in the 2019 assignment, source files, and there it is there. That's my Excel file, my spreadsheet exhibitors. If I click on it, there's only the 1 sheet. So that is the one we are mail merging to, and you can see it gives us a brief overview of the information that is in that spreadsheet. So we can double check that we are going to be merging the correct data into our Word document. So I'm going to click OK. And what I'm ready to do now is put my fields in. So I can insert my merge fields. Now you'll notice that when I clicked OK, that a whole pile of the instructions became visible. They were activated by doing that. So I can start to insert data. So here where it says name of exhibitor, I've got my 2 spaces after my colon, and then I'm going to click Insert Merge Field, and I'm going to put the exhibitor name from the spreadsheet in there. I'm going to go down to Products, remember my spacing, so 2 spaces, Insert Merge Field, and that's where the products information is going to go, and the same with location. Remember my spacing, it's all about consistency, and put in my location. I want to check that this looks okay, that my spacing is right, that the data is all there, that I've put it in the correct place. So to do that, I'm going to click Preview Results, and I can see I've got Silver Jewels, that's their information. If I click on the forward arrow here, I can go to the next recipient, so this will be the next piece of information in my spreadsheet. There we've got F. McVeigh, I've got the Fairy Star, and you can see that the data is changing in line with the name of the exhibitor. So I can check that these all work. What I now need to make sure is that I evidence that I've done this by using mail merge, that I've not just keyed the information in. So I'm going to Preview Results, take that off. I'm going to delete my comment because I don't want to print showing my comments. I will pop down and go into the footer space, and I will insert my name here, and I'm ready to print. So I will print one copy showing my merge fields. So I would send file and print, and I would send this to the printer and get that copy. And then what I would also do, again in my mailings ribbon, is go back to preview results, and I'm going to print out a copy of the mail merged document. So I want to show the data. I don't want to see the merge fields, I want the actual data. Now if the question, if the task, if the instruction said to print a particular one, then I would print that one. Otherwise, I would just go with whichever one you want to print, usually just the first one in your merged document. So I'm just going to do this one here because it's on my screen. So I would do File and Print, and I would print one copy here showing the merged data. Both of those would then need to be put into my assessment pack and handed in for marking. Now, in order to save this, I have got the option to keep clicking next and next until I get to complete the merge, because I'm quite happy with my mail merge. And so I can do edit individual letters. I can merge all of the records, click OK. And I now have a Word document. You can see here that I've got 20 pages on this Word document. So I have got one document per record that was in my spreadsheet. And I can now save this into my OneDrive so that I have got a merged document of all of these location sheets for all of my different exhibitors at the Dumfries Food Festival.